content types and channels that you can use for automation. In this lesson, we will explore the different types of content that you can automate and the channels best suited for automation. Now, understanding where and how to deploy automated content is crucial to maximizing efficiency and engagement in your content marketing strategy. Hello again, welcome back to our series on mastering content marketing automation. I am Savan Kumar, and today we are going to focus on identifying the most effective content types and channels for automation. By the end of this lesson, you will exactly know where to apply automation to get the best results. Overview of content types. Starting with the overview of content types. Content marketing isn't just about writing articles. It was about writing blogs or posts or articles a couple of years back, but today content marketing is not just about writing articles. It is, a small part of it is about writing articles as well, but it encompasses a variety of content types today. Let's break down some of the most common ones and discuss how they can be automated. First up is blog posts. So these are the backbone of many content marketing strategies. Automation here can help in scheduling posts, curating content, and even optimizing SEO through automated plugins. We'll talk in much more details about automations, but this is a brief about what are the possibilities. Social media content. Next is social media content. Automation tools can schedule posts, manage cross-posting across platforms, and monitor engagement. So cross-posting meaning you can post to Facebook and Instagram at the same time. You can have tools that can post on all LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and all the other platforms at the same time. Schedule the posts for the entire month, schedule the calendar, do a lot of things, and then also monitor the engagements that you're getting with every published post. Now, this helps maintain a consistent presence without requiring constant manual input. Email newsletters are another great candidate for automation. You can automate email newsletters comfortably. From gathering content to scheduling distribution, automation can ensure your newsletters go out on time and are personalized based on the subscriber behavior and preferences. So you have segmented your audience and then automated your newsletter. So a particular type of newsletters goes to people who have bought from you something, and a different newsletter goes to people who have never bought from you anything. Or yet another kind of newsletter goes to people who have added your products to their cart but never bought anything from you. So you can segment and schedule your distribution accordingly. Let's not forget about video content. Although production often requires a hands-on approach, aspects like publication schedule and promoting postings can be automated. Even though the video creation is getting automated as well, slowly as and when the ChatGPTs are evolving with time, video creation can also be automated eventually. But right now, the video creation might be a tedious task of reading the script, editing the videos, and then posting the same. So what parts can you automate is creating the scripts. You can use ChatGPTs to create different types of scripts for you. Then you can create the content and then schedule it using social media calendars or the automation systems to post your videos. Infographics and images can also be automated, particularly in how they are distributed and repurposed across different channels. Tools that resize images for various platforms can save you a lot of time, like Canva can do it really, really well. Now, choosing the right channels. Now that we have conquered the content types, let's talk channels. Not every channel is suitable for every type of content. So choosing the right one is key, where you can go all in. So instead of trying to be present everywhere, so on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on TikTok, you need to figure out which one channel does your targeted audience hangs out the most. So once you have identified that, it becomes easier to create your primary content targeted on that platform. So if your targeted audience hangs out the most on Instagram, you create more content around Instagram that looks like it's made for Instagram, and then maybe you can repurpose the same content to be used on LinkedIn or Facebook or TikToks. For instance, if your audience engages more on Instagram, then automating image and short video content there might be your best bet. For B2B companies, automating professional articles and white papers on LinkedIn can be very effective. Let's talk about the tools. Automation tools like Hootsuite for social media, WordPress for blogging, or MailChimp for email marketing can streamline these processes. GoHighLevel is one platform that does it all for you at one place, or you can use different tools for different activities or actions that you want to take. The goal is to use automation to enhance your strategy, not replace the human element to it. Remember, the ultimate aim of automation is to free up your time for being more creative and for more strategic activities. It's about making your content marketing more efficient and effective. Content creation has to be done by you. We are talking about content marketing automation. Content creation still has to be done by you. Audience identification or audience segmentation still has to be done by you. What we happen to do is that we end up automating all the aspects of it and forget about the human side of the content that we are creating or the content that we are distributing. And this wraps up our lesson on content types and channels for automation. In our next lesson, we will dive deeper into developing our content calendar that complements our automation strategies. And yes, thanks for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. And like we always do, let's quickly do a quick review of what we just went through. So this lesson introduced various content types suitable for automation and identified the channels where automated content can effectively engage audiences. We discussed how integrating the right automation tools can streamline operations and ensure a consistent, engaging presence across platforms. Now we will learn how to organize this content into an effective calendar and a lot more things that is going to make your entire content marketing journey very, very, very easy. Even if you haven't done in the past, you will be able to do it really, really, really well. So in the next video, until then, have a great and a wonderful day.